Part 2, Studying the Material. Step 1, Answer the questions at the end of each chapter. Biology textbooks have really good questions at the end of each chapter that reinforce the concepts that you need to understand from the material. Try answering the questions and see how many you can get through. Take note of the questions that are more difficult to answer. Revisit your notes on these topics and/or reread that part of the chapter. If you're having a lot of difficulty answering these questions, seek extra help from your classmates or teacher. Step 2, Review your notes within a day of each lecture. Avoid walking out of class and forgetting about everything you just learned. Reviewing your notes later that evening or the next day can help you synthesize what you have learned. When reviewing, ask yourself if everything makes sense. If something stands out that confuses you, reread the material on that concept in your textbook. If it still doesn't make sense, ask your teacher about it in the next class. Step 3, Set aside time specifically for studying biology. Because biology can be difficult for many students, you must put in the time to do well. If you set aside time every night or every other night for biology, you will get into the good habit of frequently studying. You will thank yourself later when you don't have to cram for the exam because you have been reviewing everything this whole time. Stick to your study schedule and make it a habit. If you skip one day, be sure to get back on track the next day and not let yourself slip into not studying multiple days in a row. Even if you're busy, plan to spend 15 minutes per day reviewing your notes. This can make a big difference.